now we're gonna tackle this bookcase that literally looks like my nightmares, okay? I should really read some of these books. Oh my gosh, I have so many books. They don't even fit in this box. And she wanted to go ahead and get started, and I was like, no, I have to film. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Gabrielle and I love thrifting and organizing and God, and I am doing a little series where I'm packing everything up, I'm decluttering because we are moving apartments in about 3.5 weeks. So I'm just like trying to get a head start on some things because I know if it gets like to the week of or the day of, I will be extremely stressed out. So I've been slowly decluttering. You look so tiny. So now my mom is in town and we just bought a dresser, so that's like kind of unexpected and random. And so Austin and my dad are headed to go pick that up right now. We got some moving supplies from Walmart, like bubble wrap and some things to like wrap furniture and plates and stuff like that, and some extra boxes. So we're gonna go ahead and start packing up stuff right now. We're not gonna do anything too crazy, but just get like the frames off of the walls and just like pack up a little like knickknacks and stuff like that just to get them out of the way. Right. So we're gonna get started, and she wanted to go ahead and get started, and I was like, no, I have to film. So
let's do it.
Anyways, let's pack this stuff up. Yay! So we just packed up some picture frames, and so now we're gonna tackle this bookcase that literally looks like my nightmares, okay? So here's some boxes that I've been hoarding to pack up this bookshelf. Okay, so we got the picture frames down from this bookshelf. So now I'm just going to take like all of my books off of it, which will be quite entertaining. I have a lot more books than I thought I did, so great. I should really read some of these books. Great. Oh my gosh, I have so many books. They don't even fit in this box. Alright, so now we are taking the frames off of our living room wall. I think that one is command stripped also. Did that work?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
It's just Velcro.
Oh my gosh. It like ripped it. There's this one you could pack up right here on the counter.
Or there, we could take those books and put them in here.
Those are my cookbooks.
So, did you say that to him? Like a soup and salad thing, you know, you can get like a soup and salad.
Alright guys, so I look a little bit frazzled, but we wanted to show you what we did. So we packed this box, that one, and this one so far. So we made some really good progress. We might pack a few more things in the kitchen, but I think that's pretty much it for now. It was just like, the point of it was just to get a little bit of a head start and pack up some of the loose ends. So I'm really excited that we did that, and I'm honestly just excited to pack everything else up and be done with this. But I guess this will be part 1, and then maybe there will be a part 2 and 3. Of packing. Okay. Anyways, I love you guys so much, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Bye!
So,
You need more bubble wrap. Why is the bubble wrap in the sink?
there's no room for it.
Did somebody say slay? Literally cracks me up sometimes how delusional men are. They just like out of it, like someone punched them in the head.
I don't know if I can lift this.
Shall we start another box? I mean, somebody stronger than me could. That's not heavy, Mom.
I just don't want it to fall through. And that one can go like on the side right there. is not gonna work.
Oh. That does work.
I mean, let's do this one more dish, and we'll be done with the dishes.